Condair CP3, the new generation of electrode steam humidifiers. User-friendliness and ease of handling are core strengths. Innovative features such as an optimized water control system ensure the best possible performance and longer operating life for the steam cylinder. The Condair Steam Air Humidifier is outstanding for its reliable operation. It's also easy to install and maintain. At startup, an automatic system test ensures reliable and safe steam production. When the humidity controller signals the need for steam, the inlet valve opens. The water flows into the steam cylinder, passing through the inlet hose and the water cup. The water makes contact with the electrodes, and steam production starts. The principle is simple. Water conductivity causes the electrical current to flow, and thus provides proportional steam extraction. Since the conductivity of the water in the cylinder is influenced by many factors, the water controller has been optimized and improved on a regular basis. Water quality varies depending on the installation site. That's why the automatic controller permanently calculates the conductivity of the water as it reacts to the specific action that is taken. The minerals, set free during evaporation, steadily increase the conductivity of the water. As the conductivity progresses, steam production rises too. To ensure the required steam output at any time, the proportion of salts and minerals must be reduced. So part of the water is drained. A pump assures that water evacuation is quick, therefore contributing to control accuracy. During the process, the water cools down to the point where it can be evacuated without any problems through the building's piping network. Using fresh water only, the cylinder is refilled until steam output regains its appropriate level. This permanent process assures steam output throughout the entire operation. However, the complex system for calculating steam production according to the quality of the water in the cylinder can do even more. The system makes sure that electrode wear and tear is as low as possible. Continuous operation builds up mineral deposits, even on the electrodes. Of course, such incrustation decreases conductivity. The controller automatically recognizes this buildup of scale. It reacts by increasing the water level to cover unused electrode surfaces. Therefore, the required steam production is not interrupted. But continuous operation causes this previously uncovered part of the electrode to fur up as well. The water level is raised again. The result is twofold: increased operating life for the cylinder, and the assurance of long-term and maintenance-free operation. Once the electrodes are completely insulated, the level detector sends a maintenance message to the control card. The maintenance message is automatically transferred to a monitoring room via Modbus or by the building management system. Replacing the cylinder requires only 5 to 10 minutes, making maintenance an easy job. The excellent efficiency rate and innovative features mean that the Condair CP3 is an efficient and low-cost system. With its well-organized water management and ease of handling, installation, and maintenance, the CP3 system will satisfy even the most demanding customer.